Konnichiwa. Thanks for joining us today, guys. This is the second part of our video in Narita, and we're going to be walking through Omotesando. Omotesando is a street with the classical Edo-style buildings. The Edo period lasted from 1608 to 1868 and was a prosperous time of artistic and intellectual development. And here in Omotesando, one can still take in the beautiful Edo architecture as they stroll through the peaceful streets. All right, so we were starving and nothing's really open up till like 10:30, 11 here. So we decided to get some interesting Japanese snacks. And we basically stayed up all night last night, of course, because the time changed, 14 hours ahead here. Really a shock to the system. So we're kind of a little bit out of it here, but yeah, we're gonna try these little snacks. Like, these are bean type things. They use a lot of red beans here in Japan and China and stuff. This is yeah. What is that?
It's like ice.
They give us an ice pack?
Yeah.
What in the...
Maybe to stay fresh.
What in the fancy heck is going on here?
Okay, let's try this first.
We're gonna try this like pancake thing. It looks like two pancakes with like chocolate in the middle. It's like ice cream? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's why they give us the ice pack. Let me try.
No.
Oh, it's like cake. Damn. I'm not eating sugar lately, but we don't know what we're getting, so we kind of just grab stuff and hope for the best. Okay, I don't think we're gonna try all of them because I don't want to ruin my appetite. And like I said, I've been trying to cut back on the old sugars. But we'll try this one last one. We'll save these for another day or later. Okay, so here's this red bean snack here. Oh, it's good. Yeah, not bad. Look at that. Interesting. A lot of people wouldn't like this, but I'm pretty easy when it comes to snacks, so not bad. All right, we found a place to eat, and here we go. I wonder what we'll get. Sake here, guys. Traditional in Japan. And apparently this is your little like chaser thing. So kind of like tequila, you know, you get the lime and the salt. But, ooh, hot sake. It's really strong stuff. It's made of rice, I think. Rice wine is what it is, right? Mm-hmm. All right, let me try.
It's probably hot though.
So, yeah, that's fine. Let's see, I don't know if I do that first or after.
I think after.
Try it after. It's nice.
Oh, really?
I have no idea what it is, but it's very flavorful.
Nice.
We got our meal, we got a couple of soups. Later on that day. So one of the big deals in Japan is the 7-Elevens, and they are fantastic, way better than the ones in Canada. You can literally eat a great meal for $5, and they have an amazing selection. Okay, so we got a haul from 7-Eleven here. And like I said earlier, they have excellent food choices at 7-Eleven here in Japan. And like we got this here, trout and vinegared rice. We got some kimchi. This little collagen vitamin drink. Because we're feeling real haggard now. We're super jet lagged. I've been awake since midnight. I mean, I can't pull it together here. This one is mustard, spinach, carrot, deep fried tofu, and bonito broth. I don't really like tofu that much because it's bad for estrogen, but a little bit's not gonna kill me, I suppose. I got this beer I'm gonna try. It's really actually a cheap beer. This is $1.38 for one beer. It's called Prime Draft, 5% alcohol, so got that. This is what?
This is soup. It's like it has clams and chili peppers.
Okay. And then Casey got the Sapporo extra malt, so she's really going hard. And then I got a little pack of sushi there, 5 pieces there. Egg, cucumber, onion, and sushi. Real simple. Japan is actually very affordable. That's the funny thing, is like I've just heard for so long that Japan is extremely expensive. So in Japan, the average wage is around like $7 US per hour. So food is a little bit cheaper here. So I'm guessing it's probably around the same as Canada in terms of like what a Japanese person spends on living. They make lower wages and the food is a bit cheaper. So for us, it's not bad. I think it's about 25 to 30% cheaper. Like you can easily eat a meal for $5, like each person. Well, that's what we found out. And then if you go to the restaurant, maybe it's like $9-10 for a full meal. So in Canada, you're looking at $15-20 a meal. And there's no way you could eat a meal for $5 in Canada. No way.
No.
Not even a chance. So that's pretty cool, just to find that out. Accommodations are a little bit cheaper here as well. Like you're gonna spend around $100 a night for a place like this. Really nice hotel. I think that's what we paid for.
No, this was $56 a night.
Okay, I lied. Wow. I don't know nothing, even though I booked the hotel. $56. So that's really good. That was really good. And it's a nice hotel. It's
free shuttle.
Free shuttle. There's a restaurant, a 7-Eleven, a coffee shop in here too. The restaurant's quite expensive, but it's like an all-you-can-eat buffet for like $40 a head or whatever. But we went downtown to the old Edo Village, and it was pricey there for sure. But that's typical of all tourist areas. Like you go down to any tourist area, you're gonna pay a premium just to be there if you want to eat there. So I'm assuming if you go down to one of the smaller little restaurants that's not in the tourist area, you're gonna spend way less money. How much was that again?
It's $3.
What? All right, dig in. The next morning. All right, guys, it's our third day here in Narita, and we're gonna go on a little hike along the river here. Pardon the noise, we're right next to the highway, but we'll get down the river and it'll be a little more peaceful. You can see the map here. This river goes all the way out to the ocean. It says they find shells in here, so pretty interesting. And there's a lot of turtles and there's koi down here. So we saw some wild koi. It's called the Nakona River. And this stretches quite a far distance. You can see there's a trail up here as well as a trail down there. Okay, so here's all the fish that are in this river. This is probably what we thought was a koi. We saw one in the water yesterday. We thought it was koi, but it's, yeah, probably a carp, which are technically related to goldfish. And you can see, oh, hey, they got gobies.
Oh, goby.
Cool. Hopefully we see some. I'll eat them right out of the water. So they have these big stone bricks that make it easy to walk across the river here. So We're gonna go over to the other side because it's sunny. And finally we got a sunny day here. It's been just gloomy and rainy the whole time. We're looking for turtles. They probably climb onto these things too. We seen a huge one yesterday just laying there. You can see we've got some kind of a stork. No, maybe not a stork, a heron. Looks like a heron to me. Just chilling. Oh, there he goes. Woohoo. Oh, wow. Sounds like a dinosaur. Couple turtles there. See that guy? And some of them look like red ear sliders, and then like I've seen two different species. There's a red ear slider, and then there's some kind of like turtle with a ridge on his back. All right, we were walking by this grate and we looked down and there's a crayfish, and he literally looks like he's completely stuck in there. Like we're rescuing him. Yeah, he's stuck on some kind of algae. Oh wow, he grabbed onto it. We're definitely gonna rescue him. Come on, buddy. What? That is so funny. He grabbed on. Sorry about the blurry camera. God, I can't believe you saw that. Oh!
And then where do I put it?
Rescue mission! Rescue mission!
Oh.
Oh. Whoa!
Oh, there you go. I think
oh, he's free! Anymore. He's free! Crayfish rescue mission successful. Well, that was a strange experience because that crayfish literally looked like it was reaching up for us to help it. Like, I swear, like, it's just like reaching up, looking at us like, please help me. And you think crayfish, whatever, they're just mindless. But he grabbed on a stick, we pulled him out, and he was like safe. I swear I heard him say, thank you.
Arigato.
True. He did say arigato, yeah. That's probably what it was, actually. Check out this crazy tree stump covered in toadstools. That's amazing. Never seen so many. Very cool. Okay, so look how misty it is in here. It's so moist. We're sweating like crazy. It's very humid. But we're looking for Yuhi Falls. There's a waterfall back here tucked in somewhere. We're hoping it's not dry. If you look at the stream here, it's pretty dry. You can see my lens kind of looks blurry, but that's actually just mist. Like the whole air is just moist. So it looks real foggy. We're like walking through clouds here almost. It looks very old. Some of these big stone slabs are just crazy. And given the fact that this site dates back to like 900 something, it's over 1,000 years old. So I don't know if these are that old or not, but some of them look very old. There's cats all over here, and like, look at this one. Just sitting in the moist ground, getting rained on, no big deal. None of them are really friendly though, I noticed. They just look at you, like, who cares? But this is a weird place for this cat to be hanging out. You'd think it'd be like in the sun, tanning somewhere, like, no, I'm gonna hang out in the moist forest, get rained on. Here comes another one. And all the cats here are very small, I noticed. Are you friendly, finally? We finally got a friendly one? Nope, I guess not. You're just looking for food maybe or something. fine then. Another cat. So we've come to the realization that the waterfall is probably dry. What a cool spot though. And you can imagine when the waterfall's flowing, it's probably pretty breathtaking, but yeah, it's I'll put a picture of it. I'm gonna take a picture offline and show you guys what it would look like. And it's so misty. Oh, bummer.
I know.
Yeah, it looks really like such an amazing spot. You can just see water droplets in the air. A little bit of a closer look. See, the waterfall usually comes off of there. Oh, that's a bummer. There's another little spot here. Not sure what this is about, but...
It seems like there's water
Oh yeah, wow.
coming in. Oh,
Right.
it's in the village.
Oh, cool. That's the deity. Look at him. He's creepy, to be honest. Really creepy. Look at these old carvings in this wall here. I mean, they have to be very old. The erosion has literally eroded the face off of them. That takes hundreds and hundreds of years of water erosion to do that. Dude, it ain't my fault. Bruh. It ain't my fault, man. I just want to love you, bro. How come you're not nice? Come on. More stone monuments. Like, there's almost thousands of these things throughout the park. I mean, at least there's hundreds for sure. Some of them looking quite ancient. Possibly, look at this. Like, is that wood? It is wood. Crazy. It's like a little dog picture. Mysteries. Mystery that only Japanese people can solve. I'm gonna have to go watch some videos and see. Since I can't read anymore, I'm illiterate. Okay guys, that concludes our time in Narita, and I'll leave you with some of our photography we took while there. And our next journey will be down to the Boso Peninsula, where we visit the beautiful little surf town of Onjuku. Other than that, toodles.